Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you simply want to open up the content that you wish to capture. So I'll be using the home screen as an example, and from there I'm going to hold power key and volume down. You will have this kind of change right here. So from here you can basically resize what you want to capture on your screen. If you want to capture the entire screen, just keep it as it was. And from there you can select save, which will automatically save the screenshot. And that screenshot can be found in your gallery application. So open that up, let's go to albums, and you should see screenshot album. And in here, obviously, a screenshot. Now this is the cropped one because I did resize it. And that is how you capture your screenshot. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.